It's actually, get in the selfie, don't worry. Because it's a video. That's perfect. Yeah! Cześć i dzień dobry from here in Gdańsk, which is the north of Poland. It's the three cities, Gdańsk, Gdynia, and Sopot. If you guys are new around here and missed yesterday, today also is the first day of opener. But before opener and all that kind of stuff, I do want to explore around here in the city a little bit. But one thing I just can't understand, Gdańsk, because this is actually the city that I'm in right at this moment, even though opener's in Gdynia, Gdańsk, I just have one question. Guys, it's the beginning of July, and it's freezing cold here. What? I think I found my place already. And this, what I'm about to do right now, this is something that's very important for me when I go to other cities, even when I don't go to other cities, even in my own city, wherever I'm living at that time, is I like to feel out the city. And to feel out a city, you have to be still. Moving around, running around, that doesn't give you a feel for the city. It's like almost something that most people don't notice, but I notice. I always notice which direction the clouds are moving. But one thing that's interesting about it is if you're walking and moving, you can never notice which way the cloud directions are going because you can't really calibrate it. So sometimes when I'm in the city and I'm kind of walking around, I can't feel the city out because I'm moving, they're moving, I can't judge the speed of the city or anything. But when you're still, you can see a whole nother side of the city. And I always change up where I have a breakfast or where I eat at, just because it changes up the feelings of that city. So for example, one thing that I love doing is I always have some fruit. And this is more of a quiet day. I'm trying to start it off really quiet and kind of crescendo and go up to more craziness. But a lot of times I'll go to the main square and just eat there sitting on the ground or sitting on a bench. It's just how I feel out the city. And it's something for me that is very important, something that I always do. And maybe you should try sometime. You might agree with me on that. But yeah, time to finish this. And then of course I need to go and okay, so back at this little restaurant. I think it's my favorite so far. I know people are gonna say, oh, there's a lot better ones. I know, guys, I know, maybe. But for me, it's the only one I've tried, and it's been my favorite one, and it's probably what I'm gonna stick to. Not even sure what all this stuff is, but I mean, it looks good, and this is like a Polish cuisine, so that means like everything is kind of Polish there. And yeah, smacznego. Yeah, and this is one of those times when it's like, don't get caught going from point A to point B, that you totally forget everything that happens from point A to point B. Meaning I'm making my way to where I'm staying at, and literally I could have just kept walking and totally ignored this, but literally took like a 5-10 minute break right here just to admire, like, man, the city looks beautiful on a sunny day. Wow. Like 3-4 hours later, it's time to go to opener. It's time to go to opener. Official day one. I'm trying to hold it inside because I take a 30-minute train ride there, but It's opener. It's opener. Day one. He's English. He's not drunk. He's English. Here we go. Okay. Opener 2019. It's 2019? Yeah, it's 2019.
Yeah.
And oh my gosh, opener. If you guys aren't here, you gotta come here. You gotta come here. There's no way I can ever explain through the camera, through the lens, how amazing it is here. You're in the middle. Everybody Opener is finished.
Day one.
Day one. Day one opener. Day one.
We're getting some.
I'm super excited to go, but I brought you guys back here to end the vlog because I'm sure I can't end it, but it's been a great time. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll speak to you guys all later, and everyone, always remember to work hard, be brave, and don't forget to smile. Ciao. Opener 2019, baby.